Hey everyone, I'm David.
I'm Mitchell.
And welcome to a new episode of Essential Marketing, where our mission is to provide helpful tips and tricks to anybody who's interested in marketing. And today we have a tip that we're going to be sharing with you all that I wish we would have known a long time ago, because it got really expensive without this tip. And it's so much, it's really helpful. It has to do with call tracking. Specifically, when somebody is coming from ads to your website, it's really helpful to know if the person has converted from ads, from which ad they've converted, for a couple of different reasons. What are some reasons why that's important, Mitch?
Sure. So a lot of times what we're doing in AdWords, and what a lot of marketers or even just businesses are doing for themselves, is advertising with a focus on getting leads, right? Conversions, whether that's a phone call, getting a form, fill out, stuff like that. But the thing is those campaigns are only as effective as their tracking is. So if you have a campaign that's optimized for conversions, but Google AdWords doesn't know when a conversion is happening on your website, it's operating in the dark. It doesn't know what's going on. And this is a tool that really helps with us making sure that we can track when somebody clicks on the ad and then calls on the website, so that the ad can actually find more people like that and continue to improve.
Yeah, so if it's set up correctly, bottom line is you are going to get more conversions, because Google is going to find more people that are going to take this very same action of giving you a call. The problem is that Google has this great article on how to set this up, but it's kind of finicky and it's really difficult to test. In fact, once you have everything set up, so what's supposed to happen is that a person clicks from ad, and then it's supposed to swap out the phone number on your website against one of the many phone numbers that Google has. And then if a person dials that phone number, then Google knows, okay, it came from this campaign, it came from this ad, a person was searching for this, so you get all this great information. But the linchpin is the number it needs to swap. And there's so many things that could go wrong with it, because it involves coding, that you have to test that. Well, Google's recommendation for testing is, well, just click on the ad. It's right here. That's what they say. Checking your code. What does it say? If you'd like to make sure it's working, you can do a search that brings up your ad, then click the ad to visit your website. You'll be charged for the click. And so that's what Google's recommending. And at the same time, they have a tool that is completely for free, right?
They're not talking to each other. That's what's happening. Sure. So basically, you can enter this appendix to any web URL where you want to test, and it's just, you can type / and then pound or hashtag if you're more Twitter minded, Google WCC debug, and then basically you bring that up, refresh, and whatnot. It's going to bring up this little window in the bottom left, and then when you click force, it's going to basically try to swap out the numbers based on the code. And then it'll say, oh, I swapped out in all these places, and as long as that matches up with what you're expecting, you're good to go. If it's not working or the little display isn't showing up, that means your code's broken, but at least you know. You can actually go and fix it without having to spend money on your own ad.
That's right, yeah. So here you can see it generates this little pop-up. This is nothing that we've built. It's coming from Google. They provide this tool. They don't really talk about it much, but now you know. We wish we would have known a long time ago. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If it was, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to see you guys in the future. Take care and bye.